In this video, I'll show you how to connect MetaMask to the Base network. First, open the MetaMask app or browser extension and sign into your wallet. From the home screen, tap or click the network selector at the top of the screen. Now, select Add Network. If prompted, choose Add a custom network. Next, enter the Base network details. For the network name, enter Base. For the RPC URL, enter https://mainnet.base.org. For the chain ID, enter 8453. For the currency symbol, enter ETH. For the block explorer URL, enter https://basescan.org. After that, review all the information to make sure it's correct, then tap or click Save. Now, MetaMask will automatically switch to the Base network. You can confirm this by checking that Base appears in the network selector at the top of your wallet. Finally, you're ready to use the Base network with MetaMask. You can send and receive assets, connect to decentralized apps, and interact with tokens on Base. Just make sure you have some ETH on the Base network to pay for transaction fees. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to connect MetaMask to the Base network. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.